In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have a working connection you can use to list, create, or update calendar events inside your automations. All you need is access to n8n, either the cloud version or a self-hosted instance, and a Google account you're comfortable connecting. First, head to n8n, open it in your browser, and sign in so you land on the main dashboard. If you're self-hosting, make sure you're on the correct URL for your instance and that you have a stable connection, since we'll authorize Google in a moment. Next, create a workflow. Click the button to start a new workflow and give it a clear, memorable name. You'll see an empty canvas where nodes will appear, plus a panel for settings and execution data. Think of this canvas as the place where your Google Calendar steps will run. Now click Add to place your first node. Depending on your version, this might be a plus icon on the canvas, an Add Node button, or available from the Nodes panel. Any of these opens the node picker. In the search box, type Google Calendar and select the Google Calendar node from the results. Once it's on the canvas, you can choose an operation. Something simple like listing calendars or retrieving upcoming events is perfect for a first test. The operation you choose doesn't create new steps, it just tells the node what to do when we execute it. Before the node can run, connect your account and confirm the permissions. In the Credentials or Authentication section of the node, choose to create or use a Google Calendar credential. Click to connect, then follow the Google sign-in prompt. Pick the account you want n8n to use, review the requested permissions, and allow access. If a consent window doesn't appear, enable pop-ups for your n8n URL or try another browser window. It's best to use an account with only the access you need, and to double-check you're granting read or write permissions that match your intended operations. Then execute. Click Execute Node to run just this node and verify everything works. Watch the output panel. If you picked a list operation, you should see a structured result with your calendars or events. A green check means the connection and permissions are correct. If you see an error, confirm you selected the right account, granted the requested scopes, and save the credential. When you're happy with the result, save your workflow. Your n8n instance is now connected to Google Calendar, and you're ready to build automations that create, find, or update events with confidence.